Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Jason Laird.
Welcome back, everybody. We're just 14 minutes away from 6 o'clock on this TGI Friday. Time now is 5:46. Thanks for waking up with us. Looking at 54 right now in Great Falls, 67 in Helena. Starting to see some scattered showers make their way across western Montana. That will be the big talking point as we head into the weekend. Still fairly clear, though, in northeastern Montana. So the progression of storms today will start out cloudy with scattered storms early. Right around 11 is when we should see some heavier rain move in and around Helena, Butte, and western Montana. That system will continue to amplify as it makes its way into eastern Montana. Now, we'll likely see some heavier showers around the 2 o'clock hour. I know the system's kind of splitting the difference around Great Falls and Cut Bank, but we will likely see some showers. Lewistown's going to kind of catch the brunt of that. And then round 2 of moisture is going to move mostly into south central Montana, really amplifying along the high line there as it catches some warmer air. Localized flooding not out of the question with this system, especially over the weekend, and in and around fresh burn scars are going to be areas you really want to keep an eye to the sky and keep that in the back of your mind, especially if you're going to be doing any hiking around those areas. 69 is all for your daytime high, 71 in Helena today. Still a little bit warmer, though, in eastern Montana. Can't rule out a few stronger storms out of today's system, especially once it hits that warmer air. I wouldn't be surprised if we see one borderline storm or two that might be severe. As for tonight, starting to cool off into the 40s and 50s all across the board tonight. Now, further in advance, we're up to Saturday now. That system's going to move out likely by the noon hour. All of Montana should start to see a clearing, maybe a few scattered showers into the early afternoon. Then some weak surface high pressure is going to build in. That'll clear things up at least for a few hours throughout Saturday afternoon and into the evening, but things will take a turn then again on Sunday. As for Saturday's temperatures, still cooler, looking at 64 in Great Falls, 70 in Helena, and a few 50s and 60s in northeastern Montana. As for the precipitation track, I'll be honest, models are not doing a very good job. I would say between 1/10 and 1/2 inch for most areas. Northeastern Montana and the High Line is going to catch a lot more. Just to give you an idea, I want to take you inside the forecast. Look at the split when it comes to forecast models. This is what we look at behind the scenes, and I'm kind of trending more in this route for Great Falls, but there is a potential that we could see a little bit more out of these systems. Over the next 7 days, here's how things play out. Showers today, then a little bit of a clearing on Saturday. Sunday will start out dry with showers returning late into the afternoon and evening. Here in the capital, 71 today. A couple isolated thunderstorms not out of the question. Rain, our second batch, returns on Monday and Tuesday. Keely.